So, for all of you who have joined here for after a long time, Mittywood is an international intercollegiate film festival which acts as a bridge between students who are interested in becoming industry professionals. Mittywood consists of a lot of events like quizzes, contests, trivia, workshops, and talk shows with renowned professionals and celebrities. It is your one-stop destination for all things glam. It began in 2019 and has been getting the traction it deserves because of all the industry professionals who are willing to help us out and are very inclusive of us. Check out our website to know more, powered by Neuromonk, our digital partner. If you want a website, you should ask Neuromonk to make one for you. If I look super comfortable and if this hoodie looks really cute, it's from Bonkers Corner, so go check them out. And for all of you who are wanderers, we have Hiker Wolf as a partner. Check them out to indulge the traveler in you. So today, we have a household famous name coming to talk to us about their industry journey. And let me give you a little bit of introduction. So we know this person from Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. He played the role of Mihir Virani in the popular serial, and he has also played the role of Dharam Kumar Suryavanshi in the serial Saath Nibhana Sathiya. He has also starred in television serials like Sathiya, Pyar Ka Naya Ehsaas, Virasat, Chand Ke Paar Chalo. He has been featured in movies Dehshat, Dhoond, The Fog, LOC Kargil. In 2017, he did this comedy film called Aao Taru Kari Nakhu under the direction of Rahul Mewawala, starring Monal Gajjar, Manisha Kanodia, Aditya Kapadia, and everybody else in the lead roles. And in 2021, he is doing a role in the film called Kagas. Can you guess who this is? Come on, give it to me in the chat. No, it's not Hiten Tejwani. Come on guys, didn't you stalk the Mittywood Film Festival page? Absolutely right, Strings and Melodies. It's Amar Upadhyay sir, and he is very sweet enough to join us and give us insight on his industry journey. He's gonna join us in a few minutes, and until then, you know what you guys should do? Check out our partners, Bonkers Corner has really cute hoodies, t-shirts. Neuromonk has made our website, so why don't you go check out our website? It's very cool and easy to, access on the mobile, on Chrome, everywhere. Not just that, I think Hiker Wolf is definitely coming up with something new on their page. So go check them out as well. And everybody over here who is Amar Sir's fan, why don't you send me questions on the live? Go to the questions section and write as many questions as you would like to ask Amar Sir. Alright, I'm getting a few questions. That's great. Hi Gaurav. So Himanshu, Ekampreet, Gaurav, do you guys have any questions for Amar sir? I'm sure he would be very pleased to answer them for you. I see a few fan pages here. Don't you guys want to know something about sir? Alright, we have a few more questions. Okay, alright. We have a few fans texting now. Thank you, Strings and Melodies. We'll make sure to ask sir your question. Okay, we have a lot of questions. Yeah, look at the amount of fan pages that have entered. I'm so happy to see you guys here. So, are we ready to have Sir join us in the next 2 minutes? Okay, we have so many more people joining in. Hi Rishi, hi Heer, hi Sahil. Okay, we have more fan clubs asking questions. Alright, we have around 10 questions now. Okay. Oh, they want to know about what is his motivation. Okay. That's great, that's great. Let's see if Sir has been able to join us. Alright then, alright. Absolutely waiting. Can't wait anymore. Likewise, I know. I'm pretty sure Sir is setting up right now, getting online, trying to connect with us. Come on, let the questions rain in. Let's see how many we can ask, Sir. Okay, we have hearts raining in, we have more questions, that's great. Oh, somebody has asked that before social media, how did you interact with your fans? That's a very nice question. I think Himanshu asked that question. So I want you guys to do this as soon as Sir sends us a request. I want you all to rain the chat with hearts, as many as you can. All of you. Let Sir know you guys love them. Let's see how much you love him. There are so many Dheera fan pages. Wow. So many questions, so many questions. I hope Sir is able to give us the time to, answer all of these. So you guys tell me, how excited are you to see Sir in Kagaz? Okay, we have hearts raining in. Alright. That's great. Look at you guys. You guys are so up to date. Kya baat hai? We have amazing fans here. All of us waiting for Sir to join. I think Amar Sir is somebody who we have seen growing up as children. All of us who are in degree college or even JC right now. All of us have grown up watching him on TV and on the big screen every now and then. And I think I feel very excited, to be able to talk with him today. And I hope you guys are too. So let the hearts rain in. Okay, for all of you guys who want Tanya ma'am and Amar sir together, we're gonna try our best to arrange a live with them soon. Let's see if we can send sir a request. Okay, I'm pretty sure sir is stuck with a lot of work, and he has been kind enough to make time for his fans and us students to understand the industry today. So, all of you guys, don't you guys want to thank Meatywood Film Festival? Meatywood Film Festival has brought to you so many celebrities so far, and tell us which celebrity you want to meet next, and we'll definitely arrange for a, talk show with them. This entire amazing talk show is happening because of our very, very generous sponsors, Hiker Wolf, Neuromonk, and Bonkers Corner. And of course, Meatywood is our favorite destination to get in touch with all these celebrities. What you guys can do is check out our Instagram page and our website to see what we have done so far. I think Sir has been able to log in. Okay. Okay, we have other requests. Alright, let's make sure that when Sir comes, he feels very, very welcomed. Let him see the zeal of Meatywood Film Festival, and let's make it happen. As soon as he's here, we have so many questions for him today. So, I see you guys are so excited and it's so much fun. You guys are such an interactive audience. Meatywood Film Festival would be nothing without all of you guys attending all our events and encouraging us to get in touch with even more celebrities and bringing you opportunities to understand how this works, So, tell me something that I don't know about Amar sir. All you fan pages here, come on, drop in the facts. Let's see. Okay, you guys are excited, but give me some details. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Okay, Amar sir is here. Finally, all of us have been waiting for him. Alright, I have sent him a request. Okay, I think I'll send him a request again. Okay, what's happening? Okay, I've sent him a request again. Few Instagram glitches. Let's wait for a second. Sir will be here with us as soon as possible.
Alright.
Hello. Thank you so much for being here with us today. All your fans have been waiting for you.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much. And first of all, my
Thank you so
apologies to all my fans. I couldn't join on the 6th. As I told them, I promised them on the 6th I will go live. But unfortunately, I was shooting
Right.
a whole day and it was a very hectic day. I didn't find a time. But luckily enough today, because of Mickey Wood, I am here again. Thank you so much for having patience and cooperating and understanding. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, sir. Not sir. We understand you're very busy, and we are very, very happy that you have taken out the time to be with us today.
Thank you.
So I
Thank you.
have a few questions for you.
Correct. Shoot.
Yes. So, what do you like the most about being an actor? This is something that all of us want to know about you.
The best thing about being an actor is one thing is you get to play so many characters, different roles, different characters, different characters. When one wants to, when one is has a thing in him that he wants to act and he wants to be known, or he wants to be famous, and he wants to show his talent, and he wants to play different personalities. So for him, being an actor is the first thing that he should try or she should try. And of course, there are a lot of perks along with acting. As people know you, people get to know you. You become famous when you do good work. You get a creative satisfaction as an actor. Writer writes and director tells an actor to do a certain way, but ultimately the actor who comes and performs. He comes and performs, and he performs in his own way, and acts in a certain way, gives certain expressions what director wants. In itself is a very
Right.
that's a talent an actor has, and on top of that, he has
Right.
to forget all the problem that might be there in his or her life, at the same time going in his personal life. But he has to be that personality, that character at that point of time, and he has to perform to the director's satisfaction, a writer's satisfaction,
Right.
and convince the audience that he is that character. So that's a very that's a talent which many people have, but not everybody can convincingly do that. So there are a lot of things it requires to be an actor. It's not that easy. It is easier said than done.
Right.
But yeah, with experience, yeah, one is able to achieve that. So
That's great, sir. So first, yes, sir.
no, come on, tell me.
So we want to know about how was it on the sets of Kagaz? How did it go for you? What was the casting process? How did you get into the role? How did you like your co-actors?
Satish Kaushik ji is a fantastic director and actor also. He's a lovely human being. And I am his biggest fan since calendar days. And also he's my neighbor. Okay, we live in the same building.
Okay.
For the last 15 years.
Okay.
And I was being in the same building for the last 15 years. I was dying to work with him. And one day Satish sir will direct a film and I'll act in that. So it is very funny how I got casted in this film. The casting of the film had already been locked, and I was walking in the garden adjacent to my building, and I had finished my walk and I was coming back, and that point of time Satish ji was walking in the same garden, and he saw me, and I was leaving, and he said, "Amar, come join me." I said, "Yes sir, I just finished, but I'll take a 2-round chakkar with you. आपके साथ 2 चक्कर लगाता हूँ." And we were talking.
Ji.
So I said, "Sir, what's happening? It's been so many years, and I really want to work with you." Arey yaar, unfortunately I locked my casting of the film Kagaz. I said, "Okay, no problem, sir.
Right.
No problem, sir. No problem. क्या है कागज क्या है? अरे this is the film that I had taken the rights of a person. It's a real person. उसका मैंने right लिए हुए थे और 18 साल पहले, और मैं नहीं बना पाया. Anil Kapoor was supposed to be casted, but Anil Kapoor sir was very busy. He couldn't give the time, and the film didn't happen earlier. But now I casted Pankaj Tripathi and Monal Gajjar and all everything." I said, "Okay, sir." So I said, "Sir, देखो कुछ है तो बताओ मुझे. I would love to work with you. Just tell me even a small role. I would love to work with you." So that time he said, "I don't have it." But next day in the evening, when I came from shopping and I was just parking my car, the sir was walking in the building. Then sir told me, "Amar, come here, and there is a role for you. I forgot yesterday to narrate it to you. The role of a Vidayak, who it's a negative role, it's a very small role, but trust me, I'll present you superbly well. I'll present you very well. And then I trust you so blindly. I didn't discuss anything. Even as I said, give me a date when I'm shooting. Just give me dates. I am coming on the shoot. I don't want to hear my role. I don't want to hear anything. When you told me you're casting me, I want to work with you. Even if it's small role, big role, it's irrelevant. So sir explained me the role. We were walking in the building together that evening and he explained me the role and I became a part of it. And he said, Amar, you have to grow your real mustache and real beard. I'll give you 1 month's time. You do it. We are going for outdoor in Lucknow. You join us later. And every 7 days he was talking to me on the WhatsApp calling and video calling and checking my beard and asking for pictures.
Right.
And the day the beard was at his satisfaction, he called me. I joined the gang and we shot some amazing sequences. And that's how I was a part of the film. I was the last moment casting actually. That's how it went.
Wow, that's amazing. Your dedication to be an actor is absolutely unparalleled.
Thank you, sir.
So tell us, what is your motivation? All your fans are asking कि sir आपका motivation क्या है? रोज उठने का, actor बनने का, रोज बाहर अपने आप को present करने का.
Your voice was not coming clear. Can you explain me motivation to be an actor or now, today? What?
Right. Yeah.
Motivation
So
to
I
be an
think
actor.
you'll have to reconnect.
Okay.
Yeah. Your internet is lagging a little.
Okay.
Right. Alright, let's wait for Sir to connect. He's finally here. Are you guys enjoying this session? Come on, let the hearts roll in. Come on. See, it's amazing how Amar Sir has this dedication to be an actor. He said that it doesn't matter how big or small his role is, he is going to present himself. And that is what we need to learn from all these actors here, that we should always look at the opportunity as an opportunity.
Yeah. Hello. Can you
Yes, sir, I can hear you, but your voice is cracking.
network issue? I need to get out of this makeup room and go somewhere outside the office.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience,
No
but that's just how, technicalities work
worries.
these days.
I think it should be much better. Network.
Yeah, much better, sir. Definitely.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Tell us about your motivation to be an actor every day.
Motivation to be an actor. I was very young when I started thinking about being an actor. I was just in the school, and that point of time, I was watching a lot of films of Amir Khan, Salman Khan, all these guys had just been launched. And when I passed my 10th standard, I started. Before I passed my 10th standard, I started finding out ways to do modeling or acting or something like that. Whatever I could
Right.
lay my hand on, and I started doing small little roles in a small plays in my college and all that, school and all. And I went to a friend of mine who was a photographer. I told him I want to be an actor, so he clicked my pictures. I started distributing around, and immediately I got a call for a couple of ad films. I shot them, and somehow Anand Mahindra, who was the director of Dekh Bhai Dekh, saw my pictures. He called me for a audition. I went and met him. He immediately casted me in Dekh Bhai Dekh. So it was very quick. In couple of 3 months, in my 10th vacation, I got a call for acting, and I started acting in Dekh Bhai Dekh. And after that, immediately,
Wow.
I was working. I didn't have time to think how I want to go ahead or how I want to plan my career, because I was absolutely new and I was looking around to other actors who were like seniors, and learning from them, Farida Jalal and Naveen Ishtar, all these people, and learning from them, and basically watching them and learning, and then slowly when I started getting popular as Sahil Chachu in Dekh Bhai Dekh, I started thinking of making a career out of this acting industry, and that's when I got serious, and I started meeting more people to get more work, and slowly, things kept on working to for me, and I got another show. Jaya Bachchan ji offered me another show on Doordarshan, and one by one, television never left me. I mean, I was just with TV forever, and I just loved it. So motivation basically to become an actor was always there. Looking at people around me, a lot of people told me you can be a model, you can be an actor. So the things kept on, they kept on hitting me all the time, and slowly, it started developing inside me that I want to be in front of television and be in front of the films, and I want to act. And I always knew I could do it. I was always confident that I can act. So though it was a long process, learning the craft is another thing. So, and after that, I enrolled into a competition which Stardust magazine had started a competition where they were going to train people, boys and girls who are from the non-filmy background. So out of 75,000 people, because 7 people selected, I was one of them. Me, Sonali Bendre, Divya Datta, all these people were finalists, and I also won the contest, and we were trained into acting and all the other departments of the filmmaking. So that's how I got to know what acting, what improvisation, how you approach a scene, how you, how much you have to, say your lines, how much loudly or slowly or this and that. Initially, all these things, you keep learning, you keep watching your professor who's teaching you, and you learn, and I kept on learning. We did a lot of exercises over there, and I was getting confident day by day. So it all started with that.
Wow, that's great. So, do you think that formal training is important to be an actor?
Not necessary. There are a lot of people who are natural. They can be super bindas in front of camera, and they can, but yeah, anything, anybody in any field is formally trained. It makes a difference, definitely. But it is not necessary. You can enroll into a acting institute, or you can start straight from the stage. You can do a stage show, maybe Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, whatever language, English, doesn't matter. But if you're on a stage, you learn a lot. Stage performance is something very different. There is a live audience in front of you. You don't get a second take. There is no retakes. In one take, you have to just give it. And if you forget your lines by any chance, then you have to improvise. So it keeps you alert. Your presence of mind increases. You're alert as an actor. Stage acting is one of the best. You should. I think I suggest everybody who wants to be an actor should start from stage.
Okay, that's great. I think that the insight that you're providing to all our viewers is definitely going to help them, for all those who are aspiring actors. So, can you tell us the difference between working for serials and working for the big screen? Like, what are the technicalities which are different?
See, as an actor, there is not much of a difference. The difference is the size of the screen. Big screen or small screen. Small screen is small, so one thinks that one has to act loudly and because the images are smaller than the big screen. But there's nothing like that. One has to be true to the scene given to them. One has to be true to the character and act accordingly and follow the instructions by directors. And the technicalities is basically the camera work is different, the sound effect is different, the atmosphere is different. Theater has a different atmosphere when one goes and watches a film, and television is at home, so it is in your own environment. The sound effects, everything is different in that respect. But otherwise, for an actor, for a director, it's all same. It's all same.
Okay. So then tell us about Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. I think all of us grew up watching you, and that is our first introduction to you. So give us a few insights about that. Like, how did you like working on the sets? What about your co-actors?
Kyunki Saas Bhi Bahut Hi also, I just got a call one day from Balaji Telefilms, and I went for a screen test, and immediately they said, you have to shoot today only, you are selected immediately. I was very shocked.
Wow, that's great.
It never happened with me. I went for a screen test and they told me you're on. In 2 minutes, they told me you're on and you shoot, because we haven't found Mihir from last 3-4 months. Finally, you are Mihir, you come and join. And immediately I went and shot with my mom, the woman who played my mom, Savita. That's
Okay.
Aparna Mehta, and I shot with her, and that's what it happened so fast. It didn't give me time to think. Also, they explained me my character in 5 minutes, and I was shooting. And Smriti Irani, that time, she was already selected before me. And when I met her, it was very. She was very pleasant, very humble, and down to earth girl. And we had a superb rapport working. So everything happened so fast with Kyoki. And we were supposed to come on air with Bachchan Saab's KBC, the first KBC. So we were really very happy that we are going to be launched on the same day the KBCs will be launching. So we were sure that people will watch us also, because people will switch on the television and Star Plus for Mr. Bachchan, and they will see us also. So we will be also noticed by the audience. But our show went on to become bigger hit than KBC after that. We
Yeah,
had
absolutely.
we were more on TRP, higher on TRPs than KBC.
That's great. That's great. Okay, sir. So talking about the lockdown, what did you learn as an actor, or even in person, as the days went by in the lockdown?
Lockdown initially was very exciting, but slowly after that it started getting boring, because I wanted to work. Sitting at home was boring. So I started doing chores in the house, helping my wife and my kids and everybody with a lot of stuff, playing a lot of board games, watching a lot of web series all around. I've watched millions of web series or episodes in 6-7 months of lockdown. And also, one thing I learned is you cannot go against nature. You cannot human being, if they have got brains, they cannot spoil the nature. They cannot ruin the nature. Because when the nature takes its toll, it can really be harsh. So coronavirus is one thing, that nature's anger towards human beings, humankind, that stop spoiling, stop ruining our forests, our greenery all around. You see, human
Right.
beings have been ruining the nature from last thousands of years, maybe hundreds of years, and it just took nature about 1 month to clean everything. You see the water, you see the air, I have seen birds which I've never seen in my life, coming to my window sill and sitting there. I've never seen those kind of birds which came in this lockdown, because there was no human being around, and all the animals felt that the jungly wild human being is, I think, vanished. So they all came around. So they felt free.
Right.
So I think that's what
Right.
I've understood. That Mother Nature, you should respect. You should take care of your environment, and also the family bonding is the most important bonding one should have. Your parents, your wife, your kids. They are the ones who are the ones who take care of you, who love you, and you should never disrespect them. You should always care for them, and that's the bonding happened a lot, basically, with all my family members. We've never been together for so many months, locked down in the house for, ever. So there was a fantastic time, basically. Sad for the world, but yeah, I tried to make the most of it.
So then, what became your mantra to get through all these, multiple months of lockdown? What was your mantra?
Mantra was to keep myself involved, mentally involved in something that could help me as an actor in the future. So I had to, as an actor, learns every day. It's never enough. You learn by watching. You learn by thinking. So I that's the reason I watched a lot of web series. Lots of web series. on Netflix, on Amazon, on Voot, on
Right.
Sony Live, everywhere, Hotstar. So as an actor, I learned that, and I saw a lot of web series, the way they perform, the way they write the script, the story, why their stories work. So lockdown, that was my main thing to improve myself in the future. If I get a project, how will I? What can I use? Also, I was on a Zoom call with my writers. I am also starting a production company. So
Wow.
yeah, we developed a lot of stories. We developed a lot of stuff which we are pitching around to a lot of web shows, web channels around. So very soon, my own web show will come in. With I don't think I'm going to act in the first one because I'm busy with Molki right now. But they are definitely
Right,
happy.
right, right.
So I think that will happen. That's happened in lockdown.
That's great. I was just about to ask you your take on OTT, and now you've already told us
Yeah.
that you have a web show coming up. So we are
OTT
very
is here to stay
excited.
forever. OTT is here to stay forever. OTT will one fine day take over television. I believe because if television does not improve in content, OTT will definitely take over it. It's already
Right,
has
right,
taken over in the lockdown. I think.
right, right. But I think the kind of consistency that television drama brings it into everybody's life, that will always remain, because people don't like waiting for the new season to come up. So what do you think about that?
So see, OTT basically is very accessible. All the episodes you can binge watch in one go.
Right.
Television one has to wait. That's the biggest drawback of television now. Earlier, daily soaps were brought in the picture in the market because people couldn't wait for one week for the episode to air. So daily soaps solved that problem. But now OTT coming in picture, people can watch 10 episodes in 2 days and finish it off.
Right.
And then OTT will require a new content. A new content will be made. So content wise, OTT is like a monster. It keeps eating content, But television has its limitation, So and OTT is accessible on mobile or wherever you are in the world. You can watch it. You don't have to go to a house and wait for 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock for that show to come in. So that's the biggest
Right,
advantage.
right.
Plus the writing of OTTs, all the is excellent. Their research work is excellent. Their casting is fantastic, and all these things are plus points for OTT. They shoot like a film. They give time.
Right, right.
They give time to the producers to make a very good product, excellent product. So I think OTT will take over television very, very soon. It's fantastic. OTT is very accessible.
Wow. Good to know, sir, about that. I think definitely OTT also gives some amount of freedom of expression as well. So,
Correct.
in all these aspects, before you have to get back to your work, we would like to
Yeah,
know
they're calling
that
me anyway.
what
They're
do you
calling me.
want
Just
to,
calling me. Yeah.
yeah. Just last question. What would you
Yeah.
want to say to Mitty Wood, and what do you want to tell all your fans and budding actresses and actors over here?
I would like to wish Mithivood all the very best for the film festival that is happening, and you guys are very good. You guys have, I think, last month something I saw Ayushman Kurana's brother. He was on your live also. He also
Right,
spoke.
right.
So I wish you guys all the very best, and all the people who want to be an actor. It's not an easy job. Definitely, it is fantastic. You become famous. People know you. People come and take your autograph, but it's not an easy job. It is very easy. It's easier said than done. So you guys have to work hard. And I would request whoever wants to be an actor, you start with stage or some kind of acting school before coming into straight into acting. So I think stage is the best option. So guys, do stage. You learn a lot and learn your craft well, and then come in front of the camera, because nowadays competition is immense, and there is hardly a second chance that you'll get. So when you come with a
Right,
bang.
right.
Come with a bang.
Okay. A small message for all your fans. They are absolutely waiting for you to address them.
Guys, thank you so much for giving so much love to me for all my shows. Do watch Molki because it's a very different show. We have tried to make it look different in language wise, in the setup wise, or look wise, or everything else. And writing wise also, we are trying to compete with OTT and beat OTT in this show at least. So that's why our show looks very different. So I would request you to watch Molki and give us your feedback that what you like and what you don't like on all the actors, different handles, Instagram handles.
Right, right.
So please let us know what you like and what you don't like about Molki, and keep watching Molki. And also this year, my another film is coming called Bulbulia 2. Watch that also.
Thank you so much, sir. Can't wait to see you on
Thank you all the
Molki
fans
as well
and
as
thank
your
you
new film.
everybody for having
Yes.
patience and being here on Mithi Board handle. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, sir.